Okay, to create a video postcard, what you're going to do is hover over email, voice, and text, click on virtual postcards, and then choose a postcard that you want to customize. Now, these two here where it says videos, that's going to allow you to put your own video in. So I'm just going to click customize right here, and I can label this.
Write this down.
Whatever I want to label it, so I can find it easier next time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on main content, and then I'm going to click on edit. Now, if I want to remove that video here, I can just click delete, and then click on source. And what I can do is just go to YouTube, and I can find any video on YouTube, click on the word share, click on the word embed, and I want to unclick where it says show suggested videos when it finishes. And then I'm going to click right here where it says use old embed code. And I'm just going to copy this whole thing. And I'm going to come back to where I'm working, and I'm just going to paste this in here and click source again. And now I have the new video in here. I can click save changes. I've got my new video in there. If I want to click on the stamp, I can easily change whatever stamp that I want. And if I click on this text right here, I can easily change the text that's going to be clickable, and I can easily direct my prospects to any page within my system just by scrolling down and see what page I might want to direct them to. Maybe I want to direct them to a PLS Hangout page, or if I want, I can direct them to any website I want outside my system. So I would just click inside this box here and type in whatever website that I wanted. And when I save my changes, when my prospect clicks on this text, that's going to bring them to whatever website that you decide that you want them to go to. So now that I've made those edits, I'm going to click up here where it says save my changes right here next to the status. Now, if I want to change the color around my postcard, I can click on page color, and I can decide whatever color I want it to be, maybe a shade of blue or something like that. And then once I make my changes for the background, I can click save changes, and that's all there is to it. I've saved all my changes. Now, if I click on options, one thing I can do is I can click on view. I can view my postcard. And then if I click here, you'll see that it goes where I told it to. Now, if I wanted to send that to my group, all I would have to do is click on send. It's going to ask me for the subject line. You can leave it the same if you want. Whatever domain that you want to use to send that from is perfectly fine. And here's the URL for that postcard. So when I click on next step, you'll notice that that postcard is already highlighted. It's called a campaign. It's actually a postcard. It's just listed in your campaigns, and it's called postcard right here. That's it. And you're just going to scroll down, click the word select on step 3 if you want to send it to every single opt-in you have, or you can decide which group or groups that you want to send it to. And you're just going to scroll all the way down and click send, and scroll all the way down again, click agree, and then you can send that postcard.